Hello everyone and welcome back to the Marketing Empress. If you are new here, hi, I'm so excited to have you on board. My name is Samradni and I create content on all things marketing. On this particular channel, I upload content every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. So ensure that every video that you're watching, you're liking it, you're sharing it with your friends and you're subscribing to the channel so that every time I upload a video, you get notified first. In this particular video, I am back with another video on advertising analysis, and today's advertising campaign that we'll be analyzing is honestly a very interesting one and stars one of my favorite celebrities. So I'm so very excited to shoot this video. I think that's about enough for the introduction. Let's just jump right into the video now. Now, with the fame that Pankaj Tripathi has earned over the years through his work, it's only logical for a brand like Udaan to expect similar recognition by including him as a brand ambassador. Now, when I came across these ad campaigns, I was intrigued to know more about the app. So I wasn't looking at it from a creative perspective alone. I was trying to understand what the app offers. And trust me guys, that's a big thing. Mostly because, as a matter of fact, I am not their target audience, okay? But even as someone who is remotely interested in knowing about how the app functions, the ad has justified by putting across the same thing in a simple yet to the point manner. In this video, we will be analyzing their ad campaigns right from the background, the objective, the execution, all of it. And ensure that you watch the video right till the end because I will be covering my top 3 learnings from this particular ad campaign with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
आओ बहन आओ।
डिम्पल भैया का कलेक्शन दी बेस्ट।
तेरी डिम्पल भैया की छोटे तेरा सामान।
भैया वो वाली दिखाइए ना जो बेबो ने वीरेदी में पहनी थी।
आपके पास तो होगी।
थैंक यू। बेटा मनीष, बॉलीवुड कलेक्शन निकाल दीदी को दिखा जल्दी।
क्या डिम्पल भाई, आजकल तो कस्टमर आपके नाम की माला जप रहे। कौन सा पैसा फेंका है? हमें भी सिखाओ ना।
सीखोगे तो ये आँख से शटर हटाओ,
ये लो,
और गर्दन इधर घुमाओ। अरे मोबाइल उड़ान है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ हम व्यापारियों का अपना ऑनलाइन।
ऑनलाइन हमें पेल रहे हो? हमें
हर ऑनलाइन हानिकारक नहीं होता। देखो यहाँ सब उपलब्ध है, ये गारमेंट्स, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, ये फुटवेयर और ये तुम्हारे किचनवेयर भी।
सच में?
अरे कसम कस्टमर की। और ये नहीं, इंडिया भर से दुकान तक माल की क्विक डिलीवरी, बेस्ट प्राइस, लेटेस्ट रेंज, स्मार्ट रिटर्न्स और क्रेडिट भी। मतलब सारी झंझटबाजी हटेगी, बिक्री और कस्टमर बढ़ेंगे और बढ़ेगा
मुनाफा।
पैक कर दो।
लो, खुल गया मुनाफे का शटर।
खुल गया।
उड़ान है, खोले मुनाफे का शटर।
Let's start by understanding what is the Udaan app. Now, Udaan is a B2B marketplace that operates with the aim of getting a retailer, a trader, a wholesaler, all of them on one platform, whereby they are able to provide the much needed ease of doing business. Udaan operates in the space of FMCG, durables, electronics, apparels, all of these spaces, and currently has over 150,000 sellers all over India. It also became the fastest growing unicorn in India when it achieved a total of $225 million from its current investors in a matter of just 26 months. Udaan was started by ex-Flipkart employees and is currently on the growth trajectory from a very long. The entire thought process that the brand has or the app has is to ensure that the entire process of retailing is streamlined. And why is the streamlined part very important is because it's operating in the digital space, guys, and India for the past few years has been focusing on this digital transformation. When they are providing a digital payment gateway or digital payment access to these retailers, wholesalers and traders, it's taking India further in its want or its need to reach a digitized world whereby you're making online transactions as a. The best part is that they are also offering logistics support. Now, guys, mind you that this becomes very important for retailers or wholesalers because they are going to be a little skeptical to move into the digitized frame. So, this is something that the app ensured to track and take into account. Now, let's understand the advertising background. Now, Udaan roped in Pankaj Tripathi back in 2020 or the end of 2019 where they released their first ad campaign. From then till the recent ad campaigns, their communication style has been fairly simple. And that is also because the communication has to be simple given their target audience. What they try to communicate across these ad campaigns is that the app Udaan provides ease of doing business. It's easy to use. It's something that takes into account all the problems that you as a retailer or a wholesaler might face and then provides a solution to it. Now, mind you, Pankaj Tripathi is not a newbie, but his offbeat status works so well for some set of brands or some category per se that it works really well for every brand that is trying to incorporate his brand ambassador style in their communication. Next, let's look at the advertising objective. Now, their advertising objective is fairly easy to understand when you look at their advertising campaigns. And that speaks volumes about how well the communication has been crafted. Now, pause and think about it. You are talking to the Kirana shop owners, you're talking to a consumer durables person who is operating somewhere in some corner of possibly a Bihar or, not a metro city. Is what I'm referring to. And you're talking to them, can you really add multiple layers of creativity in your ad campaign? No, that's not happening. And why you shouldn't be doing that is because the more simpler your communication is, the easy connect the target audience will have with it, right? So it's very important for the app to ensure that the communication is just to the point, but is communicating every one of those things that the retailer or wholesaler might be worried about. Now let's analyze the advertising strategy. Now the advertising strategy had to be a very well thought one. Now that's important to understand because your advertising strategy needs to come into play to make a big difference. What I mean to say is that your retailers, wholesalers, your traders have been using the typical distribution model for a very long period of time. And for Udaan to come in and talk to them, convince them to try out something which is very different is going to be a task. Nonetheless, Udaan ensured, and so is evident from their communication, a lot of market research. So I'm sure they must have literally gone on the ground to understand what is the problem that a trader or a retailer or a wholesaler is facing in the market with the typical distribution model. What are the gaps that they can look at and how can they come up with something that eases their way of doing business. Through their market research, as is evident from the campaign, there might be these 4 to 5 things would be highlighted, which is something like credits, returns, quality, etc. And what Udaan has ended up doing is that not only have they ensured that these things are catered to in their app, they've also communicated about it in their messaging or their ad campaign. And this becomes very important because unless and until a person doesn't know what to expect from downloading the app, it's not going to help the brand in the long run. Let's analyze the advertising execution. Now, in my opinion, I think the ad campaign is flawlessly executed. There you have Pankaj Tripathi, who is talking to a retailer who's possibly selling in the same area, and he is telling the other person how beneficial or how trustworthy Udaan is. The tagline "Kholo Munafe Ka Shutter" works really well, and that is because the whole point of a shopkeeper or a retailer including or using Udaan as an app for transactions is so that that person gets more munafa Okay, and the best part, which I think from the execution one can notice, is that the part where they are actually using the mobile app and he opens the app by putting the shutter up. Okay, so that has a clear connect with the tagline, which is Kholo Munafe Ka Shutter. Another important thing that I loved about this strategy or this execution is the line, "Har online cheez हानिकारक नहीं होती." And that is so well crafted because you're trying to instill this thought in your target audience's mind that what you're about to experience or what you're about to get on board with is not something you need to be afraid of. It's something that you need to be confident enough to use because it's not going to let you down. Lastly, let's look at my advertising learnings. Number 1, the perfect brand ambassador goes a long way for your brand. Now understand the love that Pankaj Tripathi has gained over these last few years through his amazing performances on the OTT platforms. It has worked so well for him that any brand today who will try to incorporate his style is going to benefit from it, right? So Udaan ensured doing just that. And as I mentioned earlier, the offbeat status that Pankaj Tripathi has already brought into the picture, there's a clear connect that can be established between a brand ambassador and the brand. There are a lot many things, guys, that go into the back thinking when a brand decides to rope in a brand ambassador. And if you're interested in knowing what are the things that go behind a brand choosing a particular brand ambassador, let me know in the comments down below and I'll come up with a video around that because it's quite interesting. And it's also noteworthy to know that any other brand ambassador in this case, in this particular campaign, could not fit in as well as Pankaj Tripathi. Do you think anyone else could have that unique, humorous, as well as know-it-all sort of a style as Pankaj Tripathi in these ad campaigns? I know I cannot think of anyone who could replace. Number 2, thorough market research acts as a building block for your communication success. I cannot stress on this point enough. It's extremely important for brands to go out there, understand the consumer problem, and then devise the brand or the product and go to the extent of also including those learnings in your communication. See, there's one thing to come up with an app and just take into account all the grievances that those people are experiencing, your target audience. But it's completely a different thing to ensure that those 4 to 5 points that you've ensured to include in the app are also communicated well in your advertising communication. And they did that just brilliantly. Lastly, to the point communication sells better than multiple layers of creativity. Now, constantly, given that I've worked in advertising, I know for a fact there's always this battle that you face whether your communication needs to be more creative or should we stick to something simpler. Now, while the decision becomes a lot easier when you know what your target audience better connects to, it can still be a task. What happened in the case of Udaan is that their simple communication worked to the point. But mind you, I will still not say that they chose simplicity over creativity. They have ensured a perfect blend because if you notice, the ad commercials are designed in a way that the creative element still stays in as well as ensures that the simplistic way of communicating the benefits of using the app are not missed out on. So to conclude, Udaan's advertising campaign gives us the perfect understanding of how, if you are very sure of the objectives or these 4 to 5 points that you want to communicate through your message, then that communication needs to be streamlined and there needs to be a perfect blend of simplicity and creativity coming in. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed analyzing this ad campaign. If you have any other ad campaign suggestions that you want me to analyze, please leave your suggestions in the comments box below and I'd love to know what you guys would be interested in watching next. Before you leave, make sure you like this video, share the video with your friends because I'm sure there's a lot to learn from this. Subscribe to the channel by hitting the bell notification icon so that the next time we upload another advertising campaign video, you guys are notified first. So until next time, bye bye.